Cellular data is very precious, and normally WhatsApp doesn't consume a lot of internet data. But did you know that you could still take control of the app as to how much data it consumes? Well, we tell you how to use WhatsApp efficiently and save a little more of that precious internet data. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings and tap on Data and Storage Usage. Under the Media Auto Download, tap on When using mobile data and uncheck all the 4 options. This will stop WhatsApp to auto-download while on cellular data. Similarly, repeat the process with the When connected to Wi-Fi and When roaming options too. Additionally, under the call settings, you can turn on low data usage to reduce the amount of data used during a WhatsApp call. Well, that's about it for this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.